Do you ever wonder how to ask questions in English or how to make perfect sentences? Well, my friend, the secret lies in auxiliary verbs. In this video, I will make auxiliary verbs super easy for you, and we will break them down and give you real life examples, and by the end of this video, you will be a pro. So let's dive in. Oh wait, if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon for never miss an update. First of all, what are auxiliary verbs? What are auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs, also called helping verbs, are verbs that support the main verb in a sentence. They help form tenses, negatives, questions, and even the passive voice. There are three main auxiliary verbs: be verb, have verb, and do verb. Verb be. Am, is, are, was, were, being, been are verb be. Imagine you are watching a movie. What's happening? Actions ongoing, right? And for that, we use the verb be in a continuous tenses. The structure will be subject plus be verb plus main verb plus ing. Subject plus be verb plus main verb plus ing. For example, I am learning English. I am learning English. I is a subject and am. Am is be verb, right? And am used with I. So I am learning English. Learn main verb plus ing. Learn, learning. I am learning English. Actions ongoing, right? And here another example. He is watching movie. He is watching movie. Is used for third person singular number. When subject will be third person singular number, we use be verb is. Okay, so he is third person singular number. For that, we use is. He is watching movie. Action is ongoing, right? And here another examples. They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. They is plural subject and are used for plural subject. Okay, so they are playing cricket. And now, what if we want to talk about something happened in the past? For example, I was playing football. I was playing football was used for singular subject and were used for plural subject. For example, they were going to London. They were going to London. We were studying. We were studying. We were studying. And now let's talk about do verb. Is the boss of negatives and questions. Do for questions. Do for questions. The structure will be do, does, did plus subject plus main verb. For example, do you like English? Do you like English? Does she play football? Does she play football? Does used for singular subject and do used for plural subject and second person. So, do you like English? Does she play football? And did. Did used for past tenses. For example, did they go to the school yesterday? Did they go to the school yesterday? Super simple. But wait, we also use do for negatives. The structure will be subject plus do, does, did plus not plus main verb. For example, I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. Do plus not, don't. I don't like spicy food. She doesn't play football. She doesn't play football. They didn't go to the school yesterday. They didn't go to the school yesterday. Super simple, right? And now let's talk about have verb. And have verb is the key of perfect sentences. Okay, present perfect tenses. It's connect your speech past to present. The structure will be subject plus have verb plus past participle. For example, I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. He has visited London. He has visited London. Has used for third person singular number subject. Okay. And another example is they have played football. They have played football. And now past perfect tenses. Talking about an action before another past event, the structure will be subject plus had plus past participle. Subject plus had plus past participle. For example, I had left before she arrived. I had left before she arrived. They had eaten before the party started. They had eaten before the party started. Simple, right? I hope everyone got it. And now, future perfect tenses. Talking about something that will be completed in the future. The structure will be subject plus will have. Subject plus will have plus past participle. For example, by the next year, I will have graduated. By the next year, I will have graduated. He will have finished her book by tomorrow. He will have finished her book by tomorrow. Simple, right? And now, time for quick quiz, quick challenges. Can you fill in the blanks? She ... playing the piano right now. She ... playing the piano right now. Choose the correct auxiliary verbs. Am, is, are. The correct is because she is third person singular number. Subject is third person singular number. So we can use is. Okay, next is I ... not like horror movies. Choose the correct auxiliary verb. Do, does. The correct answer is do because does is used for third person singular number. Okay, so correct is do. And next, by next week they ... finish their project. By next week they ... finish their project. Choose the correct one. Have or has. Have is correct because they plural subject, right? And next, we ... waiting for the bus when it started to rain. Choose the correct one. Was or were. The correct is were because we first person and plural, right? And next, you go to the market yesterday. You go to the market yesterday. Choose the correct one. Do or did. The correct is did because the sentence shows past tenses. The sentence shows past tenses yesterday. Okay, so I hope everyone got it, and if you have any issues about auxiliary verbs, let me know in the comments below. I will check as soon as possible and I will give a feedback on your comments. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget click the subscribe button and the bell icon and like, comment, share. See ya in the next video.